Hello, I'm Nessa, and in this video I want to show you how I grow microgreens. Wow, so this is so incredible. Look how they are growing. And this is Kresse. This looks like this. This is Wedis. And it looks like this. This is Rucola Salatrauke. Sorry, I don't know the word in English. And this is like this. really like it. So the banana bread is very sweet and soft. And then you have the guacamole on top, and it is very soft structure too. And then with the green microgreens, I think you totally have to try it. It tastes very nice and very fresh, and it's so healthy to eat green stuff in the winter, even not so much as growing in your garden. You can just do it inside your house. I think you really have to try it. They are all tasting a little bit different, but I really like it. So it's very fresh. I hope you get some inspiration from this video. Please like and put some comment if you want to do the same and you want to try it or not. And I see you at the next one. Bye bye.